Meaning of DOD.
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 DOD. DOD is an acronym that stands for the Department of Defense, which is a federal agency responsible for providing military forces to ensure national security and protect the United States from threats. The DOD oversees a wide range of functions, including research and development, procurement, logistics, and personnel management. It also plays a critical role in supporting military operations around the world. The primary mission of the DoD is to maintain the readiness of the U.S. military to conduct prompt and sustained combat operations, as well as to deter any potential adversaries through a credible and lethal force posture.